All right, guys, I've got here a few minutes ago. I was waiting for some of the guys to clear out. I haven't really unboxed anything. I did pull one thing down, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pallets, 2,500 plus shipping. Shipping was like 3 something. So I'm just calling it 2,800, 2,850, whatever it was. But this stuff, obviously in the background, that was already there. It's just these pallets along the front that are all new. I still have this clothing stuff that I'm liquidating. I'm working on that today. But I do want to show you. So I did pull this down because I was like, what's in these big boxes? It's a brand new pet. I'm going to say pet, but basically dog set. Water and food. Really high quality, really nice. That's actually a pretty valuable item for the price. I paid right around $1 a piece for each of these items. Another item that was actually already sitting up like this are these Star Wars cups. Galaxy's Edge Trading Post. It's by Zach, Z-A-K. So 2-pack of these. These are really nice. This is, each one of these boxes here has, I think, 3. So all these boxes have 3 in them. I don't even know what this is. Hearth and Hand Domestics. Not sure. This might be some Frozen, like Disney Frozen stuff. Could, maybe not though. Not Hearth and Hand. I'm not sure about that. Floating Snowflakes. This is Christmas stuff. Blue Spell. So I'll open some of this stuff up and give you guys an idea. But this is how it came. Gives you a better view. This whole row of stuff just came in. My cost right around about 550 bucks a piece, somewhere around there per pallet. This is all cases of Method hand soap. There's 6 in a case, brand new. These sell great. These sell at the flea markets, yard sales, warehouse sales for around $1 a piece. So no issue getting all my money back on those. And some. Oh, I did look this up on eBay. One had sold for like $5 plus shipping. I may end up selling a few of those on eBay for like $9.95 free shipping. And my cost being right around $1, that's not too bad. So we're gonna have some like $10 items. You know, this 2 cases of these dog bowls, these will easily be 10 bucks. We're gonna have some like dollar items, like the hand soap, but then we might have some mixed eBay stuff. There's probably like 20 or 30 different SKUs in here. There's the scrubbing bubbles. So these do sell well. It's a certain scent though. It's a floral fusion scent. This scent didn't seem to be as popular. There's 6 24-ounce bottles per box. So, and these are brand new, so I may be able to sell them on Amazon. I'll have to look those up and see what the value is. I literally haven't done any research on this stuff other than the fact that I looked up a few items to make sure that when I was purchasing it, the deal was going to be worth it. Outside of that, I haven't started really scanning anything or determining what I'm going to do with everything. But first things first is we need to get this stuff, the clothing, out of the way. We're going to move around this scrap stuff, and then I'm going to start opening and unboxing this. You will see some of that in this video. I probably won't show a whole lot of the clothing. I'll maybe, as I'm like midway through the process, show you what I'm doing. But I know you guys probably want to see what I got in these 6 pallets. So stay tuned and I'll show you that here shortly. Oh, so much more room for activities. So going to do the bras tomorrow morning. I emailed Linda and let her know that I have to be out of here in an hour. And on my way out of here, I need to drop off some of this stuff at storage. So I'm like pushing it for time. But basically what I'm going to do right now is separate this into 3 different loads. The stuff I'm going with me now is going to long-term storage. Then I need a pile of stuff that I want for this weekend's yard sale. That would be the second pile. The third pile is items that I want to keep here for the next warehouse sale. So for instance, like this soap, I won't be able to sell it all at the yard sale, and I probably won't be able to sell it all at the warehouse sale. So some of it I'm going to take to long-term storage, some of it I'm going to leave here. So that needs to be broken into 3. Like the winter Christmas stuff, that can just go, the whole pallet can just go in the truck for long-term storage. So I need to do that real quick. I need to be out of here in an hour because we have dinner plans tonight for my niece's birthday. So I will, once I start breaking into these, give you guys a quick rundown of what I have, but unfortunately I don't have as much time today as I thought I did. So the days always fly by when you're working hard, but got a lot done so far. So I ripped into this pallet real quick, and it's basically 3 items. A couple cases of these Wonder Shop Christmas style buffalo plaid throws. They're regularly $15 in Target. So, and remember, I paid around $1 a piece, so that's a really good buy for those. I have, these are those things I was talking about. These would be really nice for the sales because I can just stick it up like that. But these are little peepers, and they're like little keychain animals, like dogs, cats, and looks like dog, cat. And then scrubbing bubbles, whole half a pallet of this stuff. Someone sold a case of this for $35 on eBay for 6-pack, and that's what I have here. These are cases. So the one case cost me $6. Basically for pallet number 1, just 3 items, fill up that whole pallet. So pretty good stuff. All 3 of these should sell pretty well for me. I'm gonna save these till Christmas time. They're gonna be worth a little bit more then, probably get about $5 a piece then. Scrubbing bubbles, I'm gonna sell some online, and I think I'm gonna try to get $3 a piece at the warehouse sale. And then these little guys, I'm not quite sure yet, probably just $1 a piece. So mainly just making my money back on those, but they should sell pretty quick, especially when people come with their kids. It's just an easy little dollar toy that they can get. So, and maybe I didn't look these up online. Maybe they're worth selling as like a bundle online, so I'll have to look into that. I probably will actually do that first, but let me jump. So the first pallet is all dog bowls. They're for the next warehouse sale. All these are going, these are all the dog bowls. Those are all going to the yard sale. I think I could sell that many, 10 bucks a piece. And then I still have 3 more pallets to look at. So let's do that real quick. All right, guys, it is actually the next day. I had to run out of the warehouse yesterday. I didn't get a chance to film anymore, but I did have an issue because the load that I bought was supposed to have like some NCAA branded like college sporting accessories, like anything as cheap as like a hair tie or stickers or magnets, all the way up to like Tervis, like really nice Tervis cups and like puzzles. So there was like North Carolina State, I think there was Florida, either Florida Seminoles or one of the Florida teams, universities. So a bunch of different university type stuff. I don't know if it was equivalent of just a few boxes or a pallet full of stuff, because I was never given a piece count on that. I was shown some pictures and told that was gonna be thrown in. Well, that didn't come, so that's now being shipped separately. So keep that in mind with this deal, is there is some other stuff, and part of that is a lot of that NCAA stuff I thought possibly I could sell online, especially like the Tervis cups, and those puzzles were selling really well. So anyhow, I'm gonna get inside. My buddy Lenny, who owns the warehouse, he's got some contractors here doing some different stuff, so I'm not sure how much I'll be filming today, but I will keep you guys updated and let you know how I did with this 6-pallet deal. I'll catch you on the next clip. All right, guys, this video didn't quite turn out the way I was hoping. So my buddy Lenny had contractors, electricians there pretty much all day, so video taping was not ideal. The yard sale due to rain was canceled, so the pallets that I got, for the most part, I condensed them as much as I could and put them away for up on the racks. And then in order to make room on the racks for that, I brought him 2 of the 3 automotive pallets. Now this one right here is all hand carts, like heavy duty Rubbermaid style, like roll-in carts. So that should be pretty easy. I already took photos. I just need to store those. So if I'm gonna do Facebook Marketplace, I think I'm gonna do $50. So for those, and I believe there's like 10 or 12 on there. And then this is all bigger case pack miscellaneous stuff. So decent boxes. I'm just taking them straight down to the basement to be processed. I'm not gonna process them at the warehouse. I'm not sure if I'll videotape that or not. It depends on what's going on and what kind of time I have available. But sorry this video didn't turn out to be what it was. I guess you can consider it more like a vlog video, not really an unboxing video, just kind of a day in the life of. So yesterday it started, it was a full day yesterday, and then today, the morning I packed and shipped out those bras. The entire pallet got repalletized. It was 488, I believe, off the top of my head, and that was going out to Linda out in California, so thank you, Linda. And then from that point, after I finished that up, around lunchtime till about 3 o'clock, I recondensed everything, reorganized, and loaded up these 2 pallets. So making progress, but it's definitely a lot of work. I hope you guys are enjoying my journey with liquidation, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. All right, climbing up the truck. You guys got to see this. I was going to end the video, but But I started pulling down the second pallet, which is the automotive stuff. This one here in the back. And look how empty these boxes are. This box has like 10 items in it. This box literally has 2. This box here has like 4. So this won't take too long at all. Most of this stuff I'll condense. But like, I mean, some of these things like this hitch step, if that's in there, this is going for like 30-40 bucks. There's some there's like this high-end strut assembly for, I think it was for a 2009 Honda. I can't remember, I can't recall off the top of my head, but definitely some higher value stuff in here. I'm just shocked how little bit they filled the boxes up. But I guess that with the heavier stuff, that's keeping things like these lights from getting smashed. So that, in a way, that's good. So anyhow, I had to show you that because that's not typical. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.